Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Opera GX mods. First thing here, you just need to open up your Opera GX browser. And then from here, you want to go on your menu right here at the top left-hand corner. And basically click on this settings. And here on your settings, you want to scroll down until you find web modding. So scroll down here and you'll find this web modding. So we're going to click this option here, and then here in domains you can basically add your own domain and also your details. Now once you've done, you want to go back on your settings and again scroll down here. Then you'll find this manage mods button. So basically from here you can manage your GX mods, or you can actually install any kind of mods that you want to add to Opera GX. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.